Hey guys, Adam here. Today on our Project 95 Ranger, we're going to be doing a couple things. So I was at the local pick and pull the other day and I found a really nice chrome front grille. So that's what we are going to be putting on. We're going to be putting on these corner pieces and we're going to be replacing the grille. Also, while we do that, we got some new turn signal lights to fix our broken ones there. So we'll show you how to install those. So just a quick overview. So on this, we got 2 screws here and 1 screw here up top to get this plastic piece off. To actually get the light out, we have one 11mm bolt right down there. And then for the rest row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for this other corner piece, 3 bolts there, her screws there, and 1 bolt right there. So that's all that's going to hold this front end on. So let's get started. Alright guys, so on this, first things first, I'm just going to use our 11mm. We're going to pull both corners out, and then we can just take the whole assembly apart as one unit, really. I like my magnetic tray so I can not lose anything, or try not to lose anything. Okay, on the lights, I got some good news and bad news. Yeah, they turn, but the whole stud turns with it. So we're going to do something different here. Let's pull this grill off. Now, on these headlights, you have a couple options. That's going to be option 1. I'm just going to pull on it. And it's going to come out. Looks like the stud just completely unscrewed from the housing there. This light's hammered. I mean, it's cracked all the way up. I'm glad I got some replacements here. And so to get that off, I'm just going to get a pair of vice grips on that so I can just undo it from the back side. Same thing over here. It was unscrewing, but it's just going to bust when we pull it out. Ta-da! Just like that. Piece of cake. This light, before I manhandled it, wasn't in too bad a shape. We just had the bottom corner here that was busted off. So now we got those out. Let's get those studs out. So let me get those vice grips and we get those studs out, and then we can put the new lights in with our new trim pieces. There we go. There's the stud that came out. There was the bolt. It's the bolt. Let's throw that in our keep pile. Throw the stud in our get rid of pile. Get this other side real quick. Okay. Got the studs out. Let's take these corner pieces off here. One, then got in here up top and at the bottom 2 and 3. All the bolts that hold everything on are the same size. Then you just like that, pull out and up. We've got these 2 tabs here in the bottom that kind of go in there, and then these side pieces are just, they pull out just completely. So, a couple things that we can do here. Now they got it disassembled, you just slap the new one in. I'm just going to grab a little rag, just kind of wipe this down a little bit so it looks somewhat presentable. Alright guys, we wiped that down. You know what, I don't think it did a whole lot of difference there. So we're going to put our new corner pieces on, and then we'll get that grill on. Alright, some of you guys are saying, why am I not replacing the headlights yet? Those look ugly. The only reason why is because they haven't come in the mail yet. So as soon as those come in the mail, course, we'll do a video on how to do those. Oh, we got a pine needle down there. We're just going to stick these guys in. Get our screws going. I'll tell you what, this was quite the find at the pick and pull yard. Usually the trucks have heavy front end damage, and you know, can't really get very good body panels. But hey, I'll tell you what, this is a good chrome set. And the bumper on it had a ding down here, so I didn't get the bumper. But I might go back. Originally we were going to paint these bumpers. We still plan on doing that. But I'm going to keep my eye peeled to the local pick and pull, see if we can maybe find something worth saving. And I'll tell you guys what, when I actually went there and picked these up, it wasn't even this that I was there for. It's just for a little electronic switch that I was actually looking for. And got some new inventory in there. But yeah, let's go take a look. And wouldn't you know, it was a fresh Ranger with a good looking front end. So here is our new grill. So we got the chrome top, we got the painted bottom. Yes, it's dirty. I have not cleaned it up since I fixed it up. So let's just set this on. So again, it just sits in those holes there in the bottom. Slide it into place. Kind of clips in with the sides here. There's little tabs that grab it. Let's get this baby screwed on, and then we'll wipe it down, make sure it looks good. Even with the front painted bumper, I think it's going to look great. It just adds a little bit of XLT-ness to the truck instead of the base XL work vehicle that it is. Last bolt. There we go. Now, everybody, let's put in our lights. So you notice on this side we got our two just retainer clips, and then that's the when the bolt goes in. We'll take that off. If we unplug, you have to unplug it because it kind of goes back behind there to get it to go in and turn into place. Not too difficult. Just got to be smarter than the light. Right, get that guy back in there. Yeah. Those two, they're just kind of ribbed, hold it into place. And then our bolts, right, whoop, 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 right there on the top, is what actually secures the light. Alright, we got light one in. Just think with that new headlight how good that's going to look. Alright guys, we are done. We got our new corner pieces in. We got our new chrome grill and, well, let's say half chrome, half painted. Put on there. Here's our driver's side corner piece. Now let me tell you, I know this isn't perfect, but again, I pulled it out of a pick and pull yard. This entire front end, well, the grill and the side marker lights, I did the whole thing for under $20. Now, how did I do that? Well, one, I was at Pick and Pull, the right place, the right time. Two, they're having a massive sale where everything was 50% off. Picked up these lights. I believe they're Eagle Eyes. They came off eBay. I got some new headlights coming. So complete refresh once those new headlights come for under 50 bucks. So not a bad deal if you just want to freshen up the front side of your Ranger. Now we replaced these marker lights, these corner lights, just because we're having some cracking issues. The other ones are busted. And so, but that grill was just happened to be the right place, the right time. It's going to look great, especially when we repaint this front bumper. And there you have it. So that's another project done on our Project 95 Ranger. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Okay guys, I have to laugh. As soon as you get the truck put all back together, this comes in the mail. I kid you not, 20 minutes after we got the truck put back together. Here we go. We got the left. You know what it is. New headlights for the Ranger. So, you just watched the video about getting the marker lights and the grill in. We're going to take it all apart here in about a day. Put these in. Stay tuned.